Once you have scheduled your sessions and have sent the email to the parents with session details, after completing your sessions you have to take attendance. So you have to go to my calendar. So once your sessions are completed, so for example, if this session is completed, I have to take attendance. So I can take attendance from my calendar. You can take individual attendance session, each session's attendance from here. You can click on the session and go to the option here and click on this attendance option and take attendance. Okay, or else you can take attendance of all the sessions from manage batches. So here you have to go to your batch and click on attendance option here and select your schedule. So I have completed this first session. Okay, so I am marking present and I am marking, after marking the attendance, I have to change the status to completed. So my schedule is completed, so I should save as completed and click on save. So now I have taken attendance of one session. So let me go to my calendar again. So I have completed my first session, I have marked attendance. So next again I'm going to schedule. So now I have scheduled session for five days, right? 5 sessions. So now I'm going to schedule session for 6 session. I'm going to schedule 6 session. So I can schedule session from by clicking on schedule a session here, or else I can click on the calendar and schedule session. So here I'm going to schedule another session. So this is student name, course name, and date which the student has enrolled, or the date when this session has started, and academic year. So I have given the name and choose training type, and batch name is okay. I have chosen batch name and course. So when you choose the course, you can see the session is loaded here. So I have already scheduled 5 sessions, so the remaining 19 session is shown here. Okay, out of 24, remaining 19 is shown here. So if I wanted to schedule only for one session more, I can show it as 1. So here you can see that now I have marked attendance of one session, right? So it's completed. So here it's in green color. The session is shown as green color because it's completed. I have completed session and marked attendance. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 sessions are shown as pending session, which I have scheduled but not completed. Okay, so here is the next session which I'm about to schedule. So if I'm going to schedule 5 more sessions, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sessions will be shown here, and the remaining sessions which is pending, and 1 session completed. So this is how we schedule session. You can schedule for any number of session. You can schedule sessions for all the course, that is 24 session total sessions, or you can schedule 1 by 1 or any number of sessions as you wish. Here when you scroll down, you can see the session which I have completed, the pending session which I have scheduled but not completed, and the sessions which you are about to schedule. Okay, now after completing all the session, that is after completing all the session of the course, you have to close the batch. Am I right? You have to close the batch. So I'm going to attendance again, and I'm marking attendance of all the sessions as completed. My all session is completed, so I'm marking completed for all the session, and completed again and again. Marking completed. Okay, so all my schedule status will be completed now. Let me go to view schedule again, and you can see all the schedule status is completed now. Okay, so next let me go to my calendar again to just show. Since look at this session, this is my first session. Okay, so here the session color is green because I have completed this section. I have marked attendance, so it's completed, so it has turned as green. So when I first scheduled the session, it's yellow in color, and now it has turned green because I have marked attendance. Okay, so again I'm going to manage batches to close the batch. So I'm going to batch status option here. So to close batch and send batch closure email to all the students of the batch, you have to go to batch status option. So I'm clicking on batch status. So here I have to choose course. If this batch has multiple courses, all the courses will be loaded here, and since this batch has only one course, I'm choosing this course. And here you can see batch status is currently active. Okay, so here you have only one student, so the student is listed here, and out of 5 session 5 is completed, and here the course status is completed as well, but the email is not sent. The batch closure email is not sent. So I'm selecting the student to send batch closure email. So you have to make sure the course status is completed to send batch closure email. Okay, so here I have selected the student and I'm about to send batch closure email. So click on save button to send your batch closure email, which contains certificate of the student, course completion certificate of the student. So I'm clicking on save and proceed. So here you can see the email status is sent here. So the student have received the email with course completion certificate, email as well as WhatsApp message with the details of certificate. Both email and WhatsApp message will be sent, and the student will receive both. Okay, so here you will have filters as well. If there are multiple students, you can filter them with course status and email status and all. Okay, so once you have sent batch closure email for all the students, and all the students have completed their course, and you have sent batch closure email to all the students, you can change the batch status active to completed. So once you have completed all the process of this batch, you have to change the batch status to completed and save. Okay, when you refresh, you can see that this batch is marked as completed. Now the status of the batch is completed. So now you have completed all the process. So I'll just give a brief about it. So first you will get, the training coordinator will create a batch and assign it to you. So you will see all your batches listed in manage batches menu here. So the training coordinator will have assigned added student to it, and also added courses to the batch. So all you have to do is, first you have to schedule session to this batch. So you have to go to my calendar and schedule all the sessions. You can schedule all the sessions of the course, or else you can schedule sessions accordingly by clicking on schedule a session button here, and or else you can click on the calendar and schedule your sessions. And before that, before scheduling sessions and all, you have to set your availability so the training coordinator can assign batch to you. And then once batch is assigned, you have to schedule session. And once you have scheduled all the session, you have to go to batches and go to view schedule and view all your schedules, and you have to make sure you have sent batch email with all the schedule details to the students or parents. So you have to select the sessions and click on send email and choose the student and send session details to the students. So once you have sent the first session details to students, the students will receive automatic WhatsApp and email on with session reminders on the day and prior the day of the session, which is automated after all. Okay, so when you are sending this email with schedule details, WhatsApp message will also be sent. Okay, so once you have sent, after you have sent the email and once your sessions are over, you have to take attendance. Once all the sessions is completed, you have to send batch closure email. So this is how the whole training process is done. Thank you.